Bacon and noodles, hard to beat.
Good evening, and welcome to A Journey to a Photograph, Murlough Bay, Part 2. Wasn't intending to do a journey to a photograph today. I have a new lens for my camera. It's the 24mm 1.8S for the new Nikon Z's. And I was desperate to get outdoors to see what it can do. One of the things I bought it for is astrophotography. It's really fast aperture, which means you can see in the dark. There's only a couple of corners of Ireland where you can say that, but this is such a beautiful, peaceful spot at night. I've already taken a few shots as I came up through the glens, and also a few of the star shots over the cliff face behind us here. It's just so stunning out here. There's a full moon's risen in the sky, which will blow out any real good star photography. But the upside is that same full moon's going to light paint the whole bay, all the cliffs and the woodlands, and also hopefully give us some cool watery, shimmery stuff. Everywhere I look around here I could just stand and stare. It's so beautiful. But that's not what we're here for. Let's take some photos. Murlough Bay is a National Trust property, and as such it's pretty well maintained. The road's hairy, it's dodgy, it's single track, steep, slippy. I wouldn't advise it if you're not a confident driver. I wouldn't advise it if your clutch is slipping. I've done that before, no fun. It's smelly on the way out. But anyway, there's 3 car parks in Murlough Bay. There's the top one, away up at the top, and it's like a mountainous area. It's beautiful, glens, sheep eating the grass. There's an old lime kiln. Then there's this, the middle car park, with this beautiful view down over the bay and over to Tor Head beyond. On a good clear day you can see how close we are to Scotland. It's just over there. I'll use some long exposure photography in a minute so we can see that. This is a special night. It's always those ones you're not planning, eh?